really funny. And this is the best way you can also do this. This is very natural. So basically all you need is some ginger. You just need a few ginger. I just like mine to be a little bit concentrated, but of course, uh, take about 3-4 pieces, more pieces of this. And basically this is organic. You can always get any type of ginger, doesn't matter. And then here I also have organic cucumbers. These cucumbers, you can buy them from any store. Of course, you can choose to go for any regular cucumbers. I also have green apple. Just be the one green apple. I chose to do this too. The lime and the lemon. I like both of them. I want to try this time and see how they can go together. And of course, I have some celery sticks here and baby spinach. Baby spinach. That's all you need. So basically what you need is a blender, very nice blender like this, and then I'll start off by chopping into small pieces, and then I'll be able to combine them together. So let me get a knife. Alright guys, so I have my knife here. I'm going to start with any of this. Let me start with this, chopping these little ones into small pieces. The reason why you should do this is because sometimes they can take more space and you don't want them to take too much space. So you slice them into small pieces, even to make it easier to blend. And I'm sure if you have a blender, this is a good recipe. You can always make this. You need to use this every day, morning when you wake up and evening. So for me, I'm gonna use all this because, as I told you, I like mine to be highly concentrated with ginger. Yeah. You have to be very careful, don't knock out your fingers. I've done this a few times, so I know how to. But ginger sometimes needs you to use a little bit of some energy. Some people like to peel the ginger. Sometimes you can do that. And then next I'll do cucumbers. If you choose, you can just slice. It's very watery, you know. All these things are watery, so slice it into the middle, and you can slice it again because you just want to make sure that it's going to come out very small pieces like this. Reason again, you don't want to have a big pile. If they come out so big, they're not going to fit inside the blender. So basically, that's what I do. These little pieces, and then transfer them into the blender. Sometimes, you know, my blender is not really big enough, so I try not to overfeed it, but, you know, let's hope it doesn't overfeed it. Then I want to add these 2 celery sticks. I'm going to slice them into small pieces as well.
Mama, open the door! Stop! Stop!
I'm doing that. Alright, this is celery sticks. You want to make your solution to be as green as possible. And so see also I'm going for green apple. So I'm going to cut the green apple into small pieces. I usually don't use the middle part, so take that one off. And I take away some seeds. So I'm also going to do the same thing, slice it into small pieces so that it doesn't take too much space. basically this one shouldn't take you too long, you know. For me, I am making this because I when I make this, it should last me about maybe a few days. But if you just want to make it fresh every day, why not go for that? Transfer some of this here and slice more. Slice a little because it takes less space, you know, guys. Slice big slices are going to fit, and you may need an extra blender, which you may not have. Like I do have it, I have several. So if I need to sometimes blend on the side, that's what I do. Let's just go ahead and so that's all. So basically, you can. I normally like doing 3 pieces like this, and then put it in here. Just juice it, and then juice the other little one. Then again, I add the other one. Alright, so basically after blending, I put some, see this is very concentrated, so you always want to mix a little bit with some water. Then yeah, drink every morning and every evening for a couple of, you can continue, basically this is very nutritious for you. Yeah, so you shouldn't worry about like, when should I stop using this. Of course, economically it can be draining, but eventually you reap the benefits of it.
It's not working.
To me,